Hey there, you won't believe this, an AI TikTok video made over $120,000 in the last 30 days. And guess what? I created this video using AI completely free. Since I love sharing, I'll show you exactly how to make these types of videos without spending a dime. Stick around because I've got a special gift for you. First, let's pick a product to promote. The video I showed you earlier features gummies. Health supplements seem to work particularly well with AI-generated videos, so I'm sticking with that category. For product finding, I am using a tool named FastMoss, which provides complete analytics about TikTok shops. Here you can find products, creators, shops, live streams, and ads. On the left side, choose product and then product search. In the filters, choose the product category, all. At e-commerce type, choose video. At units sold, choose more than 10K. You can enable new product to avoid competition. Enable top selling products. Here are the top selling products on TikTok. This product has made over $233,000. This one has made over $4.9 million. This one made $2.2 million. This one $1.8 million. After some research, I found a product called Cooking Essential. Its 60K units are sold already, and it has made over $850,000. Open it to view all its details. Scroll down to view its analytics. You can see that it is performing very well. Scroll down to see its videos. Now the product is selected. Let's get started.
Discover the FastMoss by following the link in the description. Use gift code AG1010 at checkout to enjoy special discounts just for you.
Step 1. Writing a powerful script. To make an engaging video, we need a compelling script. Copy the title of the product and search for it on Google. Open the website that has all the details. Copy the URL of the website. Open ChatGPT and paste the URL. Make sure you are switched to GPT 4.0. That is free because GPT 3.5 is not connected to the internet. Now, ChatGPT has searched 4 sites and collected all the data about the product. Then, give it the prompt, create a 30-second narrator TikTok video script. The script should be of my product, which solves the problem of the viewer. Now the script is ready. The narrator's text is the script and the bracket portion is the visual representation.
If creating videos isn't your thing, let Barry handle it for you. Check out his amazing portfolio through the link in the description. Simply provide the product, and he'll take care of everything else.
Step 2. Creating stunning visuals. Next, ask ChatGPT to convert the scenes into prompts for AI image generation. To create these visuals for free, use Microsoft Designer's Image Creator, which uses DALL-E technology. Copy the prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into the image generator. It will generate 4 images. Choose the best image and then download it. Here are the images for each prompt. Step 3. Generating the voiceover. Then open ChatGPT and give it the prompt to separate the narrator's script and write it in paragraph format. He separated the script that we needed to convert into voice. Go to 11labs.io. Copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it into the text box. Select your preferred voice. Adam's voice is a popular choice for these videos.
Allow the world to live as it chooses.
Generate the speech.
Tired of spending hours trying to perfect authentic Mexican birria? Introducing Birria Bombs by EZ Bombs. Just drop a birria bomb into your dish and let the blend of hand-picked spices do the magic. Effortless, authentic flavor in every bite.
Step 4. Assembling the video. Now, it's time to put everything together using CapCut, which is a free video editing tool. Open CapCut and start a new project. Set it to 9:16 for TikTok. Locate your voiceover file and import it into the project. Drag the voiceover file onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Use the split tool, scissors icon, to cut out any unnecessary silences. Remove the silent segments to ensure a smooth flow. Locate the images you generated with Microsoft Designer and import them. Drag each image to the timeline, placing them in the order that matches your script. Play the voiceover and pause at each point where a new image should appear. Adjust the duration of each image by dragging its edges on the timeline to match the corresponding voiceover segment. Ensure each image aligns perfectly with the narration for seamless transitions. Select an image on the timeline and use the zoom and position tools to adjust the image to fit the 9:16 frame size. Repeat this process for all images to maintain consistency. Select an image on the timeline and click on the animation option. Choose from the combo animations to make the image more dynamic. Apply the selected animation to the image and adjust its duration if needed. Repeat this for each image, selecting animations that enhance the overall flow of the video. Click on the transition button between two images on the timeline. Browse through the available transitions and select one that fits the mood of your video.
They're spending hours trying to...
Adjust the duration of the transition to ensure smooth changes between scenes. Apply transitions between all images to keep viewers engaged. Click on the text button and select Auto Captions. CapCut will generate captions based on the voiceover. Select all captions and click on Basic to change the font. I prefer that font, but it is not available in CapCut. You have to download and install it on your computer or phone, then search its name and select it. Move the text to the center of the screen for better visibility. Click on Animation for Captions and choose Bounce Out or Spring to make them more engaging. Enable stroke and shadow options to make the text more visible against the background. Increase the text size if needed for clarity. Play the entire video to ensure everything is aligned and flows well. Make any necessary adjustments to timings, transitions, or animations. Ensure the video is engaging and visually appealing throughout. Once satisfied with the video, click on the Export button.
Tired of spending hours trying to perfect authentic Mexican birria? Introducing Birria Bombs by EZ Bombs. Just drop a birria bomb into your dish and let the blend of hand-picked spices do the magic. Effortless, authentic flavor in every bite. Birria Bombs tradition meets convenience. Make every meal a flavor explosion. Get yours today at easybombs.com.
How to start the business. Upload the videos to TikTok directly, or you can run ads. You can create your own dropshipping store and provide the link to the product in the video description to get sales. If you don't want to create a store, find the product on any popular website like Amazon. Join its affiliate program to get an affiliate link to the original product. When someone buys through your affiliate link, you get a portion of the profit. This method has less profit than your own store, but it is simpler and people trust websites like Amazon more than local Shopify dropshipping stores. Follow these steps. Find a reference video, use ChatGPT to create your script, generate images with Microsoft Designer, produce a voiceover with 11 Labs, assemble it all in CapCut, and upload it on all social media platforms with the product link. And there you have it, a powerful, free method to create stunning AI-generated TikTok videos. Feel free to comment or DM me on Instagram or Discord for any kind of help or questions.